Namaste, everyone. This is a beautiful 15-minute practice that you can do at the end of your day just to help you unwind and let go of stress and tension. So go ahead and come into Sukhasana, easy seat. You can sit on a bolster or a block here as we connect to our breath and get grounded in this present moment. Beautiful. So lift and lengthen through your spine and go ahead and relax your hands on your knees and touch your thumb and index finger as you close the eyes and slightly put a tilt in your chin, lengthening the back of the neck. Take a deep inhale through your nose and an easy exhale out of your mouth. Twice more, inhale. And exhale out of the mouth. Last one, inhale. Exhale. And then keeping the lips closed. Breathing in. Breathing out. Connect to your breath and come into this moment, letting go of your day. Taking just a few moments to connect with this breath, with your body, with your whole being. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Slowly blinking the eyes open. Good. We're going to circle the torso, bring it over to your left, forward, around to the right. Good. Drop your chin into your chest as you circle back. Let your shoulders get into this. As you breathe in and breathe out, circle the torso long and slow. Good. Stretching it back. Make it feel really yummy. Nice. Just do one more big circle. Let your head hang loose. Good. Come back to the center. Get settled for a breath. Breathing in. Breathing out. Awesome. Go ahead and keep your left knee bent. Extend your right leg out. Diagonal. Place your right palm on the inside of the leg and go ahead and lean on in. Lean on in. Feeling a nice side stretch. And then reach that left arm all the way up. And then let it drape over your ear. Good. And you never ever have to catch a toe. Just reaching long. Stay flexed through that right foot. And find a little sway front and back. And breathing, breathing, breathing. Look down with your gaze forward, just finding a little love for the neck. Beautiful. And then look forward, press yourself all the way up. Plant that left palm right behind your left hip. Squeeze your belly as you lift your hips. Tuck your tailbone, And begin to take giant circles with that right arm. Breathing in and breathing out. Beautiful. And then bring your seat all the way down. Awesome job. Switching sides. Bend your right knee. Extend your left leg out to the left. So it's kind of diagonal. Our sits bones are rooted on the earth. Sit nice and tall. Place that left palm on the inside of your left leg as you begin to dip it on over. Just lean in at first. Allow the body to be gentle. Invited to open up on that right side body. When you're ready, extend your right arm up towards the sky and let it drape over the ear, bicep over the ear. Let it hang loose, maybe catch a toe, maybe not. And then sway forward and back. And breathing, looking down with the neck, the gaze, and forward. I like to close the eyes and really connect to the breath here. Breathing in, and breathing out. Beautiful. Come back to center. Press down to rise up nice and slow. Plant that right palm behind your right hip. Squeeze your core as you lift, pick up the hips, and begin circling that top arm around. 3 giant circles. And so that left foot is really grounded. And it's a really nice opening for the spine, the chest, the shoulder joint. Good. Wherever you are, one more giant circle. And breathing in. And breathing out. Exhale. Bring your seat all the way down. Awesome. Good. Face the front of your mat. Extend your legs out in front of you for Paschimottanasana. Good. Sit nice and tall. I'd like you to put a slight bend in your knees. On an inhale, reach the arms all the way up. And then exhale, forward fold. We're going to drape over the legs. So allow your chin to dip into your chest. And breathe. And I'd like you to bring your palms on the outside of the legs with the palms facing up. I am open to receive. Good. A forward fold of surrender. Maybe sway a little left and right. Any subtle movement the body is asking for. Big breath in. Big breath out. You may descend a little deeper into the fold. So really breathe into the back of the lungs. Exhale, letting go. Beautiful. Begin to squeeze your belly, round and curl. Lift through the spine. Good. And I want you to walk your hands behind you with your fingertips kind of out to the side towards the outer edges of your mat. And you're going to press down through the palms, arch the spine, lift through the heart. So just opening up the collarbones, the chest, the shoulders. Good. And then bring your gaze forward. Come back to center. Come into Baddha Konasana, butterfly. Soles of the feet come together. Good. So open them up like a book. Sit nice and tall. Let your hands clasp your ankles or your shins. Breathe, breathe, breathe. And then exhale again, draping over, kind of a yin-y, gentle fold. So we're not bringing the heels too close in. And then allow your hands to give your soles of the feet a little massage here as you let the chin dip into the chest, head hangs loose. And breathe, give your feet a little love. Big breath in, big breath out. One more big breath wherever you are. And exhale, round and curl, lift and lengthen. Good, slowly guide the knees together. I'm going to take a gentle twist here. So I want you to bring your right fingertips behind you. Look forward, inhale, reach the left arm all the way up. Exhale, twist to your right, hooking that forearm the outside of the right thigh, and breathe. Pull the lower belly in. Good, so really stay lengthened through the spine like somebody's pulling a string at the top of the head, and we're not forcing the neck. So I'd almost like your chin to stay in line with your heart. Beautiful. And then look forward and unwind. Good. Bring the left fingertips behind you. Inhale, reach that right arm all the way up. Knees are together. Exhale, twist to your left. Beautiful. Forearm is on the outside of that left thigh. Inhale, lift through the spine. And exhale, twist. Close the eyes and breathe. This should feel really nice. Not forcing anything. Good, and then look forward, come back to center. Beautiful. Cross your legs, and we're going to take a child's pose. So plant your palms in front of you. Open up the knees, mat width apart, feet together, hips back. You can put a bolster or a pillow underneath the hips. Forehead down. I'd like you to bend your elbows. Good, and then bring prayer hands together, crisscross the thumbs. So no tension in the shoulders or the neck. And take a big inhale. Exhale right into the earth, everything that no longer serves your highest good. Let go of all the tension, all the worry, all the anxiety. Feel yourself supported and safe. Take a big inhale, big exhale. We're going to slide the hands as you turn your right cheek to the mat. Bring your hands through your legs, and maybe you can grab your feet, give them another little massage, but the idea is to let the shoulders round and curl towards the earth. palms be face up. And breathe. And then slowly lift and turn your left cheek to the mat. Beautiful. Begin to extend your arms forward. Slowly unwind. And just bring yourself into tabletop. Good. Bring your knees together. We're going to sit on our heels. Nice and slow. Rest your palms on your thighs. Close the eyes. Slight tilt in your chin. And remember, if this is uncomfortable for you, come all the way down into Sukhasana, easy seated pose like we began. Big breath in. Big breath out. Bring your palms together, touch your thumbs right to your heartbeat. Take a deep inhale. An easy exhale. Big inhale. And big exhale. Know that this peace is always with you, for you to have and share as we connect to it through the beautiful practice of yoga. Thank you so much for trusting me to guide your practice. May this peace go with you off the mat, always. Om Shanti, peace. Peace, peace, peace be with you always. Namaste.